Hi, this is Easy Cooked with Lada. Today we're making rainbow ice cream. Let's do it! We'll need just two main ingredients. 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of condensed milk. Mix it very well. Now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and mix again. Now distribute the future ice cream to 7 bowls. To make it look like rainbow, I will use food coloring. Couple drops of color for each bowl. Now I'm gonna mix the colors. I try to mix thoroughly. I like adding chocolate chips and walnut. The ice cream ended up being really sweet. My daddy said it was too sweet for him, but I like it anyway. And now freezer time. See you soon, ice cream. Meanwhile, let's prepare ice cream cones. We need to coat them with melted chocolate on the inside and a bit around the edges. Then we'll dip the cone into colorful sprinkles. Look at how beautiful they are! Wow! My assistant helps me place scoops of ice cream onto the cone. Great for any occasion. I like ice cream so much. How about you? Delicious!